So, just to kind of wrap things up, this whole process of budgeting and keeping track of your finances and your expenses, it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to happen for the rest of your life, essentially, or at least until you retire. You should never just be completely finished and hands off with your finances. This is something you're going to have to keep track of every year, every month, every week to make sure you're on the right path. If you let go of the reins, no promises on what's going to happen. You want to make sure you keep your finances in check. You're going to want to scrutinize and keep this up to date. And I'm sure your accountant or your CPA will remind you and say, hey, I need these books in order. I need to have everything looking nice and clean when it comes to tax time. And quite honestly, your financial goals will change over time. I'm just going to tell you right now, you may have this whole thing planned out and bullet points and notes and like, bam, this is looking good. This is looking clean. I'm going to be set for the rest of my life. Hate to burst your bubble, it will change. And that's okay. We're adapting over time. Your goals, your interests, your investments will change over time. You may be investing in something now that seems really important. And then a few years down the line, you may be like, you know what? I actually don't need this. I could be using this money for something else to help me get to my end goal faster. That is perfectly okay and normal. But to be perfectly honest with you, as long as you just have a basic understanding of your finances and just keep track of all your money and your safety nets and your investments, it's really not that. It sounds like a lot, I know, but it's not that hard. If you just keep up with it, your accountant will thank you, CPA will thank you, and honestly, you can thank yourself because you're giving yourself that peace of mind that you'll be essentially taken care of for the rest of your life.